What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos, and don't forget to smash that like button. So yesterday, I made some changes to my M1 Finance Dividend portfolio, and I showed you the changes and I provided my rationale why I bought a certain stock. So make sure you check out that previous video if you have not seen that. I'll actually put it in the top right-hand corner while I'm doing this video. So some of the changes I made today, which are very exciting, okay, is I sold Ryman Hospitality Properties and I threw $65 in today. So I bought Omega Health Investors, Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, First Energy, a little bit of Altria, Fastenal, Enbridge, which is a energy company, mostly natural gas, which I just did a video on yesterday. Again, check that in the top right hand corner, why I bought it. British American Tobacco, Pembina Pipeline, some Pfizer, Arcadia Realty Trust, Healthcare Trust of America, a little bit of Hormel Foods, Seagate Technology, Plymouth Industrial Rate, AT&T, and Maxim Integrated Products. So looking at my portfolio, my strategy again is to long term, okay, I want to make $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends and about $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends. First goal, okay, is to get to, like I said, $100,000 and have a $100,000 dividend portfolio. I have $12,039.44 right now. So what I'm doing is, once I made it to 10,000, if you guys are new to this channel, once I got to 10,000, I started to be a little bit more specific to certain sectors. So right now I have $12,000. My money is getting focused on the real estate stocks, and a little bit of the business development companies. So the business development companies can help with the monthly dividends, which will increase and help pay for the other stocks. So I made a total of $31.66 with this. Iron Mountain was my first preliminary one, and I added some real estate investment trusts, some of them that were kind of new and a little bit down, and it just looked very promising. I was against AGNC stock, but I did add it to my dividend portfolio. It is back. It distributes a nice monthly dividend, and I'm really excited to see this section grow. So, like I was saying, each time what I'm going to do is shorten the percentage in all these down here. I want these guys to pave the way for these new sector stocks that I have added for my portfolio. So that's what's really exciting. Once I get to 25 shares, let's see how many holdings I have right now. So I have a total of 31 positions or holdings. Now, what I plan on doing in each sector, like I was telling you guys, is I'm going to add certain stocks. So right now I'm doing real estate. Once I get to I think once I get to $20,000, I'm going to focus maybe on the financial sector, and then go from each sector after that. The good stocks. I did see this dividend strategy that you can pay. Basically, there's 12 stocks that distribute. I think is it 12 or 15? I'm not sure, but I looked on a website where they had a dividend strategy. And some of those stocks are a little pricey at the time, and they are right now. So what I plan on doing is at least integrating some of them to certain sectors when I start adding them. But I really do need to get these certain stocks. Some of them are on it. I think Altria is part of the strategy, and I think Pfizer is as well. So I'm not too far off. I think I'm going to follow Matt Ramey's method just to earn monthly dividends, Then I'm going to follow this new method to earn weekly dividends. Some of the stocks Matt Ramey already has in the strategy, but once I start integrating all these stocks and everything to my pie chart, that's when I'm going to start doing some damage. So there are some very good growth stocks. Uh, you know, it's good to be low, not have as many stocks, but I'm playing catch up, and once I get to 25 shares in each of these, this is when the damage starts coming. So, see, how many am I at AT&T right now? So I only have 21. I have 21 shares. Now I probably should get that to like 50 before I change my mind. It's just they're so down. I mean, you got to capitalize on them. And Pfizer's up right now. That's not a surprise. I got 17 shares in them. Some of these monthly dividends, it's good that I brought them down to 1%. SPHD and LTC, I might move them up because I do need to get more passive income with these stocks. QYLD is kind of like my wild card. It's gonna, it's not gonna go up, it's not gonna go down, but it distributes a very nice dividend. I had RYLD in my E-Trade dividend portfolio. I did sell that. I need to once it comes on here on M1 Finance, RYLD will be added to this dividend portfolio. That's what I plan on doing, or I might just throw it on M1 Finance. But that's kind of what I want to do is reinvest and make that monthly income so I can reinvest and get these quarterly dividends and get the ball rolling. So I like what I see right now. See, Enbridge, this one is I got 10 shares in this. Okay, and this is a nice stock. It's worth billions of dollars. It's with its revenue and everything. It's a very strong empire in Canada, and I'm glad I did that. First Energy, I can't stand them as a company, but their market cap and their dividend yield is very good. It's another energy stock. So I really couldn't say no to it. And, some of these other ones, Altria is Altria. But, AT&T, Aflac, that's another one. And Maximum Integrated Products, those are going to be some very strong stocks. Bank of America, I dropped them down to 1% because I want to put more money into the other dividend stocks, and hopefully Exxon does okay. WestRock did, their dividends a little bit down compared to what it was, but I just need to keep on going. So really, that's the updates that I made on my dividend portfolio. I needed to take a break studying. My head's spinning around in circles right now, preparing for my final. I mean, I'm in pretty good shape, but it's one of those things, just set the tone and keep on going. So thank you for watching this video. Again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And be safe out there. It's the numbers are still high. I am looking forward to this vaccine passing so I can get this over with, and somewhat have a life. So I appreciate that. I'm going to be picking up shifts after I'm done with my final, and that way I can throw it into my dividend portfolio and make that compound interest kick in, and save up for some of my classes. So thank you again, and have a good one.